Welcome, everyone, to another wonderful episode here, Jaws of Podiatry. There you have it. This is a very young patient who presents to our office today with an infected, kind of gnarly, right big toe. Consistent chronic trauma, the culprit, calls me up and says, "Hey, Wagner, take a look at this." He's actually my neighbor. So, take a look. Obviously, the toe looks quite pale, just because the tourniquet is already on. The thumbnail of the video, that's what it really looked like when he got here. Obviously, he's got some cellulitis and whatnot, erythema, pain. Right? The toe is already numb. So without further ado, what we're going to do here is decompress the area. Okay? How do we decompress? We're going to remove the nail plate. This is something chronic for him. This is probably 6-7 times already, right? So that's a lot. But he's hard-headed. That's part of the problem, right? So let's go ahead. Let's get in there for the, people close your eyes. There you go. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do is the first thing, okay, and there might be a collection of fluid here, you see? But let's see. If you feel anything, patient, please let me know. Any pain?
Nope.
Okay. So very carefully, right, this is the proximal nail fold. We're going to go like this. Hopefully it won't explode, and if there's a seroma or anything like that, right? We'll be gentle with him. Pressure, lots of pressure, right?
Yeah, not too bad, actually.
Good. Okay, there it is, you see? Pop goes the weasel. Okay. So there's a little, and there's more, and there's going to be much more here. 1 second. There we go. Okay, we have something. See? I call it the goo. There we go. Okay. So that's the first thing we do. I just want to make sure people don't take any notes. They do this stuff in their bathrooms, step by step like this. Yeah, YouTube is a very, very fun place. Okay. Now we go under. Okay. Any pain? Pressure only. A little bit. A lot.
No.
Okay. A little bit. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this over with, shall we? But tolerable?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Close your eyes. This is a very dystrophic nail plate, as everyone can see. Dystrophic means thick. Fungal. So now, last but not least, come on. The grand finale, right? Just grab the whole thing and very carefully just kind of go like that. It's very, very, the nail's very damaged, very flimsy. Okay. Come around here, slowly detach it this way. You see, it's kind of like Play-Doh. Right here. Okay. Boom. Okay. Hopefully no one's having lunch. Okay, so congratulations, it's a baby boy. Okay. Show and tell. So what do we have here? Connective tissue. This is what connects the nail plate to the nail bed. Okay, I'll put this in a doggy bag for you. Okay, so bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, and then, are you good?
Yeah, very funny.
I mean, this is not a comedy show. Okay, and then that's it. Looks very, really clean. No trauma to the nail bed. We're all set. Okay. For anyone wondering, hey doc, does this smell? Because a lot of people want to know if it smells. There's a little bit of an odor to it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I think we're good here. So let me get the schmear. Right, a little schmear over here, just like that. Right, and that's it. Right, tourniquet is off. Now there's going to be blood. That's called blood. That's normal. And we'll put a little bit of pressure. Okay. Okay, so we're all done. How do you feel?
Great. You're the best. Appreciate you.
I'll send you the check for saying that. Okay, so again, this is it's not really a true ingrown toenail. This is just traumatic event, trauma, which led to the development of a seroma, right? A little abscess. Very, very common in athletes. He likes to play ball. So the chronic micro trauma is what led to this. Okay. But first and foremost, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the patient for allowing us to do this. I'm sure a lot of people will enjoy this. Right? Just
Hopefully it doesn't happen again, though.
Yeah, hopefully this is the last time. For anyone wondering, well, what are we going to do with the fungus, right? So we're going to go ahead and treat him with some Lamisil once this is healed. Some oral terbinafine, Lamisil, for the treatment of the fungus. Okay. He's tried it before. You had luck or not really?
The other toe got better. This toe's pretty resilient.
Right. Okay. So let me just. Okay, everything looks good. So that's what it looks like, right? That's expected, right? A little bit of blood. We're all gonna live. Don't worry. Okay. So again, thank you for allowing us to do this. For all the people out there, I told you guys we're back. A video a week. Maybe the last time we uploaded was 2 weeks. So I think this is going to be a fun one for you guys. Okay. As always, thank you for watching.